Tim, on your wedding day, I wanted to share three sets of three qualities I'm really proud of you for, three fond memories, and three pieces of advice as you and Bree start your life together. The three qualities I'm proud of in you are diligence, focus, and leadership. Diligence, because I see a lot of times where you have really gone out of your way to show the world that you are willing to work hard and reap the benefits of what that means in your life. You have worked hard in highway patrol, you've worked hard in previous jobs, you just are a very diligent person, and that really ties in well with focus, the next point. I'm so proud of the focus I've seen in you, both in finding and pursuing your career choice, finding a wife, pursuing a family someday, and I'm really excited for what that's going to look like in the future. And then finally, leadership. I'm super proud of your leadership skills. You have become, even as my younger brother by 9 years, you have become an inspiration to me, and you've been willing to take leadership and walk out and do brave things, and people are drawn to that and want to follow you. And so as you and Bree together pursue a life, I'm sure you will be a very good leader for her. Three fond memories I have. It's hard to pare it down because we have a lot, but three of the ones that distinctly come to mind are all outdoors. I know that's not surprising to you. Trail camp. We spent so many years, summers together, just working hard, sweating together, and we looked like chimney sweeps by the time we were done with the day. But it was so worth it. And I also fondly remember climbing Mount Adams and Mount Rainier with you, roped together, hauling our big old packs, and also reading Rum Doodle in the tent later on and laughing our heads off. It was just a blast. And then another memory I have is just building our house together. I remember one particular time when you were walking along this, it was the top of a wall, so it was the 2x4, and you were walking out there, and I was standing on the corner. I felt relatively safe on this 8-foot drop we were on, but you were out there on this single little 2x4, and I was thinking, Tim, oh! So I remember that, but it's a fond memory now. I'm glad you didn't fall off. And now, three pieces of advice. Since I'm not married, I don't feel like I can give a whole lot with marriage advice. You're going to get that from other people throughout your life. But just for you personally, as you begin your life with Bree, I would say my three pieces of advice would be patient with change. Not only change around you, but change in you. It takes time for us as people to change. And I think if you can be patient with that and realize that that is a process, where we are today is not where we're going to be in 10 years. And to just realize that that does take time, and be patient with yourself and with those around you, especially Bree, but other people around you too, that doesn't happen overnight. Also, number 2 is to find your delight in the Lord. I know that you are, as a believer in Christ, you are seeking Him, but continue to do that and find that delight in Him. And then finally, one very important piece of advice is please eat dark chocolate. And if you can, try to convince Bree to eat dark chocolate, because it's just way better than the rest of it.